this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where I eat something spicy and you just kind of sit there and watch and go, wow, that looks spicy. Today we've got one that is from Indonesia. I want to thank Ferengi for sending this over. This is BonCabe Rasa Mie Goreng Spicy Level 15. And I just cooked this up in the kitchen. Here's what it looks like. Honestly, I did not know that there was going to be a mukbang today, but this is pretty spicy. There's some chicken and egg, some coriander, some spring onion, and there it is. It has this special BonCabe seasoning. BonCabe is a spice mix, very popular in Indonesia, usually great on chicken, all sorts of stuff. And you sprinkle it on top at the end. So that's what I'm going to be eating today. Ready, set, go. So it's very, very dry. It's also got a very fascinating mie goreng flavor. It's kind of more, I'd say, on the acidic side. Not very sweet. It's interesting. Yeah, I've never had a mie goreng that comes across this way. It's spicy. And it's well spiced. It has a very rich flavor to it. There's they're adding tons of spices into this stuff. It's really interesting. I like it. It's quite good. Well, there's the noodle. I'll have this other stuff later, but it's hot. It's not as hot as I was thinking it was going to be. It's building right now. Definitely has just a front of the mouth kind of heat. It's building too. That's pretty good. They also have a pedas version, which I'm guessing is going to be much hotter than this. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll be prepared to do a mukbang of that one. Like I said, I didn't know that this would be as spicy as it is. Is it mind-blowingly spicy? It's pretty spicy. If you can't handle spicy, it's gonna be a lot for you. For the Bulldog folks, this isn't, no, not even original, but it's good. It's definitely something completely different. I was thinking maybe it would be kind of like a knockoff of Bulldog. Not at all. It's good. Nice heat, good flavor, nice thick noodle. Yeah, I'm impressed. I like this one. So if you want some, go to Indonesia. Although I think some people have found this in the States, but I don't know who has. But you can also get the BonCabe seasoning. It's really not that hard to find. You can get all that stuff on Amazon. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. So yeah, like and subscribe. It helps me out if you feel up to it. And yeah, have a good one. Bye.